In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a separate folder in Outlook for your emails. Organizing your inbox can be a real game changer, allowing you to keep track of important messages and declutter your main folders. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Outlook account. Once you're logged in, look through your inbox and select an email that you'd like to move to a separate folder. Right-click on that email. By right-clicking, you're opening up a variety of options related to that message. Now, from the context menu that appears, you need to find and click on Rules. This option is crucial as it allows you to set up conditions and actions for your emails, making organization much more streamlined. Once you've clicked on Rules, you'll want to choose Create Rule. This is where the magic begins, as creating a rule will enable Outlook to automatically sort your emails based on the criteria you set. Next up, you'll see an option labeled Select a Folder. Click on the drop-down menu next to this option. This will display all existing folders where you can potentially move your email. However, since we want a new folder, we'll move on to the next step. Within this drop-down, go ahead and click on Create New Folder. This action will prompt a new dialog box where you can specify your folder's name. It's important to choose a name that's relevant to the type of emails you'll be filing there, making it easier to locate in the future. After naming your new folder, the next task is to save your changes. Look for the Save option and click on it. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the settings and changes you've made are stored correctly. You'll now see a prompt to confirm your action. Simply click OK to move forward. With this step complete, your newly created folder is ready to go. Now, to properly organize your emails, click on Run this rule now in Inbox. This useful feature allows Outlook to go through your current inbox and apply the new rule, transferring relevant emails to your new folder automatically. Lastly, click OK one more time to confirm and finalize everything. And there you have it. Your separate folder is set up and your emails are neatly organized. With these steps completed, you've now enhanced your email experience by creating a personalized space for your messages in Outlook. Organizing email can be a delightful experience when you see how it improves your workflow. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your newly organized inbox.